I really thought I was going to be rich.
You can see where the mice came in there, yeah, right in the top.
Yeah, they ate wires in here.
Covered in corn oil. Sesame oil.
Aha.
What did,
Battery cables there, Cliff, they look a bit corrody, eh?
yeah, but right here, Mike, I repaired this green wire.
Okay.
It was chewed through.
Yeah.
And I thought that would be it, and it didn't start. So then, an ASC fuse, it keeps popping it.
Okay, yeah.
The boot while you're turning the tire on,
Right, yeah.
and then the lube can get on it. Sometimes they're harder than others to hold them.
Stops the boot from ripping up.
There. Once it moves a little, then the lube it'll slip and it won't rip.
So you wire brushed all the threads
I wire
first?
brush everything so I can get on the nut and the threads are clean, and then I hit it with this N-Force by BG, and it breaks down the rust and lets the boot slide.
BG is really good stuff, that's for sure.
It is. It's awesome stuff. And then I'm not doing this one on the other side, but I'm going to get it ready for the next. Because we're going to do some front end work when we have time.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, do a front end alignment and everything, huh?
Yeah. Then FH.
Yeah, there you go.
Try not to hit the tin.
Yeah. And it's out.
See, I cleaned and I put the lube on.
Yeah.
It soaks into the other end. I soaked it the other day when it was here.
Oh, good.
Because I knew I had to do this. Otherwise, they can be really stuck. Now I gotta make sure I get the right one.
Oh yeah, that's shot. What a difference, eh, from the old ones.
Oh my God, when they're new, they can be really stiff.
Yeah. No grease fittings anymore, hardly. Eh?
No, they're pre-greased and then their seals. But now that there hardly ever are any, nobody looks for them.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
Took me longer to figure out whether it was the right or left.
Yeah,
Two different boxes, different part numbers.
yeah. I gots to get paid. Wheel gravity.
so that
Yeah, keeps them from sticking, eh?
they won't stick like that. They'll just fall off. These Volkswagens, I shoot it right into the threads.
Oh.
A little bit on the caliper, on the mechanism, flex lines where there's steel. Keep things from. They get it oil sprayed, but they don't get everything where the wheels are off.
Yeah.
Give it a little shot of this.
Yeah, there you go.
And then these ones you gotta line up the studs, holes, right? If I get it ready and get it in there, and give her a zapoli. Hold. You ever heard how tight do you make it? You bring it in and then you give it 2 blaps.
2 blaps?
2 blaps.
Huh. I thought you just twist them off and then back it off a half a turn.
These ones you bring them in 1 blap and then you torque it with the torque wrench.
That'll do it, yeah.
Blap, 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 blap.
How's the pressure there, Cliff?
Needs a little bit.
A little bit? There you go.
Nice.
Yeah. And the fuel pump, I'm sure, is fine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You put the 44K in?
Yeah, we did
Every
that.
25,000.
Yeah.
I think that a lot of people are running around on empty or a quarter tank,
Yeah.
and that overheats the pumps. They need a full tank to keep the pump cool.
Yeah.
If you just keep filling it up at 3/4, then the pump stays nice and cool.
Yeah.